go Cinderella. Orgasm blush, lipstick, thick concealer. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Princess Money, and I'm back with another vlog. As you see by the title, I'm back with another day in my life vlog. This is more of a productive vlog. So on my to-do list today, it's a lot of cleaning, it's a lot of fixing things up, but on my to-do list, the first thing I'm doing is I'm cleaning my syringes. Is what, like, I put my lip gloss in, or what I squeeze the lip gloss out with. That's what syringes is, and I'm gonna be cleaning those out. I have to clean the bathroom, fold clothes, add skincare product to my website. I have to go to a softball game at Fight High School, and then I think that's really it. Oh, then I had to start on another YouTube video. So my to-do is kind of busy and it might take a little bit. So I just want y'all to come along with me and y'all can see everything, the whole entire process of what I have to do today. So let's go clean the syringes. Okay, so don't mind the state of my shirt, but like I said, the first thing I'm gonna do is clean out my syringes. So these are my syringes. This container is really, really dirty, don't mind it. So I'm gonna put some soap and water in the container, and I'm gonna let the syringes soak for a little bit. Then I'm gonna start to clean the syringes out, get all the lip gloss out. You know, I'm gonna show y'all the process of how I clean it, because if you never seen like anybody clean out syringes, then you kind of don't know. So I'm gonna like show y'all the process, like how I do everything. So I'm gonna go put the water and the soap in it, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. So I fill it up with hot water. Then this is the soap that I use. So after I put the soap and ran the hot water inside the container, I'm gonna let it sit in there for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, y'all. So now that I have let my syringes soak in the warm water and soap, I'm gonna start to tidy up my room before I leave to go to the softball game. So my room look a mess. I need to sanitize my dresser. I need to make up my bed. I need to put them pants in the closet as well as my slides. I need to put my book back up and everything else. So that's what I'm gonna do. Don't mind what I got on. I got to feel comfortable while I'm cleaning. So I'm gonna push y'all the time lapse so y'all can see the whole process. So now that I'm done cleaning my room, I'm back to my syringes. So I've let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm finna clean them. So I'm gonna show y'all how I clean them. So what I do is, you see that? You see the lip gloss at the bottom of this? What you do is you kind of pull, and then you push, and all the lip gloss come out. Technically, that's what it does. So you just pushing and pulling, and now the lip gloss come out. See, it's hardly even brown lip gloss in it. So I'm finna do that the whole time, and I'm gonna have a little napkin that's gonna clean this and that's gonna dry the syringe up. So I will see y'all when I'm done. Okay, so I'm done cleaning out my syringes. After I got done cleaning my syringes out, I dumped the water out in the bathroom sink, and I dried the container that had that leftover nasty lip gloss and leftover dirty water. I cleaned it out real good. So now I want to clean the bathroom. The bathroom need to be swept, tub need to be cleaned, the sink and around the sink need to be cleaned. The toilet, inside the toilet need to be cleaned. The trash need to be dumped out. So I'm going to clean the bathroom. So first I'm going to show y'all my products that I'm using. So I'm using the window cleaner. This is for the glass mirror. I'm going to clean that. I got my comment for the tub. I don't know what this is called. This is for the inside of the toilet. And I have the all-purpose cleaner for the sink and also the tub. So let's get into it. done cleaning out that bathroom. Do not mind my hair. My hair done got messed up from cleaning. So I gotta fold all these clothes. So I'll put y'all on a time lapse. Y'all probably won't see the whole thing because y'all gonna be bored just seeing me fold clothes. So as y'all see, I'm finished folding the clothes. I got everything right here. I got their drawers and socks right here. They can fold their own clothes because this is my mom, me, and my dad stuff. They can fold their own stuff. I'm not gonna touch that, but the clothes part, I'm done. Now that I'm done with cleaning up everything and folding up my clothes, so technically I'm done with the cleaning part and the organization part. Now I'm going to add a product to my website. So I'm just gonna enter Square, which is where my website is located at, is on Square. Well, it's connected with Square. So I'm gonna go into Square. First I gotta go on my Gmail and save the document of the picture of the product, and then I'm gonna add it to my website, and then I'm gonna put the price. Okay, so I added the rose water, which is my new product. I added it on my phone because the picture wouldn't send to my Gmail on this computer. So I had to do it on my phone, but it's not showing on my website on my phone on my computer, but it's showing like to where I added. So it's saying I added it, but it's not showing up. So I'm just waiting till my mom get back from getting her nails done, so which will be like another 3 hours, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait till she get back and I'm gonna just fix it then. So technically I'm done with everything. It's 5:58. I have like 45 minutes to chill around until it's time to go to the softball game with my best friend. So I will see y'all when I'm about to go to the softball game. Okay, y'all, so I'm sitting here editing, and like I told y'all, which was the last clip y'all probably seen, I was supposed to go to a softball game. It was my first time going to one, my first time ever going to see one. But I cannot make it. I was supposed to go with my best friend. We was gonna go see a softball game at Fight, like I told y'all, but he's in Greenville, and the game started at 6:45. It's currently 7:40 something. So I was like, there's no point in going if we kind of missed like half of the game, and when we get there, the game probably be ending. So I was just like, we were just gonna have to catch another one. So I'm so sad because I really wanted to see a softball game. Like, I always go to football and basketball games. I never go to softball games, so it would have been something different for me. But when I do go to one, hopefully I bring y'all along with me. Hopefully I'll be vlogging around that time, so that way y'all can see the softball game with me. Y'all can watch with me because y'all always know I bring y'all along everywhere I go. So I was gonna bring y'all along to the softball game, but perhaps I can't. This is in this video. This video ended up being a cleaning vlog technically. But if y'all enjoyed it, comment down below. Let me know for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video for more. Y'all, I can't even get my words out. I'm super tired. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my God. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Y'all see I got on the button. I am tired. So I'm gonna go to bed.